How to use Facebook Messenger without Facebook. So if you want to use your Facebook Messenger without Facebook, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Facebook and you need to deactivate your Facebook. Once you've deactivated your Facebook account will be deactivated and you'll be able to use your Messenger but not your Facebook because it has been deactivated. So in order to use your Facebook Messenger without your Facebook, you need to open up your Facebook, go with the upper right which has that 3 horizontal lines, scroll down, go with settings and privacy. Now under settings you will have account center. On the top of your screen, tap on account center. Under your account center you need to just go with your personal details. Under your personal details, go with account ownership and control. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Go with your Facebook. After selecting your Facebook, tap on deactivate account and then tap on continue, and it will ask you for your Facebook password. You need to give the password. After entering your password, your account will be deactivated and it will remove or log out your Facebook account and you won't be able to use your Facebook, but you will be able to use your Messenger. That's how you can use your Facebook Messenger without your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.